There is enough money in the world to buy everything. And that's the number we're keen on. That's because BlackRock and JP Morgan want to keep putting that much money into XRP Ripple. But why does this matter to us? Easy. It's possible that the price of XRP will go up to $589. That's pretty cool, right? But is it really? I promise you that video will blow your mind. Let's jump right in. Nota bene, Ripple's latest moves are making noise in the financial world, especially since it's getting closer to big names in the business like BlackRock and JP Morgan. The fact that JP Morgan is now accepting XRP, as shown by the tweet from XRP leader, is big news. It means that Ripple's technology will be more deeply integrated into traditional banking systems. Different groups are looking forward to this and are also skeptical about it. It is truly amazing that XRP could help make it possible for $1.2 quadrillion worth of derivatives trades to happen across borders. Because Ripple is a member of the International Swaps and Derivatives Association, this has happened. It is a big step forward for the coin. Since Ripple is a member of ISDA, it is part of a financial ecosystem that has usually been controlled by big names in traditional finance. The partnerships with BlackRock and JP Morgan give Ripple's goals more weight and show that blockchain technology is becoming more accepted in traditional banking. But it's important to think carefully about what this move means. Although the idea that XRP could be used in such a large market is interesting, it also makes us wonder how quickly and effectively this can happen. There are a lot of rules and regulations on the futures market, and the launch of a coin like XRP could run into big problems, both with the technology and with government oversight. There are very big effects on world finance as a whole. If Ripple is able to integrate XRP into the derivatives market, it could open the door for more digital assets to be used in standard financial systems. This would be a big change in how payments and financial transactions are handled across borders. This could lead to processes that are more efficient and clear. However, there are problems to think about. As with any big change, large groups of people might not want to use XRP, and this could be met with pushback from big banks and government agencies. Also, the fact that cryptocurrencies are very volatile could be dangerous in a market as big as the derivatives market, where steadiness and predictability are very important. When big banks like BlackRock and JP Morgan show interest in XRP Ripple, experts can't keep quiet. They're talking about XRP Ripple's crazy growth coming up soon, something we never thought possible before. You'll lose your mind. Saltrain recently tweeted that XRP has always had a bit of a riddle around it and that mystery seems to be getting stronger. Some people see XRP as more than just another coin. It is a digital product that is about to become very important. Another voice in the crypto community, us.Thankx, said it best when he said that XRP is on its way to fulfilling the prophecy by going for the often mentioned $589 goal. Are people who believe in this forecast just hoping for the best, or is there something more real going on? There is a lot to be positive about when you look at the basic analysis. Bobby, a well-known expert in the field, has backed up a bullish statement that XRP could go up by an amazing 5,000%. You didn't just pick that number out of thin air. It comes from a close study of XRP's price patterns and market trends in general. XRP has been in a correction phase for a few weeks now, but it's starting to show signs of life. It surged to 62 cents not long ago, riding on the back of Bitcoin's own rise. Even though XRP isn't as high as it was over the weekend, the market isn't feeling down. An awful lot of experts, including Bobby, think that XRP is getting ready for a big run-up. What makes Bobby's research stand out is that he found a breakout pattern on the monthly chart of XRP. This design isn't any old one. This one points to a big price increase if XRP can get past the strong support levels that have been stopping it. Imagine these levels of resistance as walls that, if broken, could send XRP to new heights thanks to a flood of energy. The numbers Bobby is predicting are very interesting. First, he thinks XRP will go up to 87 cents, which is a big 47% jump from where it is now. It has been moving in a downward trend since 2021, but if it gets to this level, it will break above that trend line. This kind of breakout would not just be a short-term rise. One possible sign is a change from a downward to an upward trend. This could be very important for people who trade in XRP. The trip doesn't end there, though. Bobby thinks that once XRP breaks through $1, it could go after $1.30 and then $1.70. These major events are very important because they show progress towards breaking through XRP's previous all-time high. It won't be easy, though. Along the way, XRP will have to get past a number of resistance marks. It will depend on how it deals with these problems to see if it can keep going up. Then there are the huge gains that could happen. For people who want to lock in their gains, Bobby has drawn a profit-taking zone that goes from $5.30 to $13.70. If investors got in at the current price, cashing out at $13.70 would give them an amazing 2,000% return on their money. That might not be the end of the story, though. Of $33.70, which is a 5,600% rise, and this is a number that other well-known experts have also used. These kinds of predictions are bound to get people excited, but they also need to be taken with a grain of salt. There are huge gains that could be made, but the way to those goals is very unstable and unclear. The price of XRP changes because of a lot of different things, including how people feel about the market, changes in regulations, and bigger economic issues. Investors have to weigh the thrill of possible huge profits against the risks that come with the crypto market. Now, let's talk about the newest agreements that Ripple has been getting without anyone knowing. BlackRock and JP Morgan aren't the only ones going after it. Behind the scenes, Ripple is doing things that could completely change the game. These strategic partnerships are making it possible for XRP Ripple to take over the world's banking scene. You will not believe what I'm about to tell you. It will make the $589 goal for XRP Ripple seem closer than ever. So Ripple's recent moves into China and Hong Kong are very important steps towards the coin becoming widely used around the world. It was brought up by Jack the Rippler on X that this big move was possible because Ripple connected with over 11,000 banks through the SWIFT network a few years ago. Now that big banks in China and Hong Kong have joined XRP, it's ready to change the way people pay for things across borders in one of the most competitive financial markets in the world. Adding Chinese and Hong Kong banks to Ripple's network isn't just a nice thing for the company to do. It changes everything. Ripple, which is known for its blockchain-based payment system, is using XRP to make sending money between countries quick and cheap. The consequences are huge. Ripple can reach huge markets in China's banking system, which has a huge network and handles assets worth trillions of dollars. Hong Kong is also known as a global financial hub. The bold claim by Jack the Rippler that Ripple works with almost all banks in China and Hong Kong. The fact that all of these banks will use XRP to send money from A to B shows how big this change is. It could be the start of a big change in how transactions are done across borders. Ripple isn't just adding a new feature when they add XRP. It's changing the way that financial deals work in these areas. This expansion could have a hugely good effect on the use of XRP around the world. First, more people using XRP to buy things across borders in such important financial markets is likely to increase liquidity and lower the cost of deals around the world. As more banks start to use XRP, its value and popularity will grow. It could make it more valuable and strengthen its place in the global banking system. Along with this, Ripple's work with banks in China and Hong Kong shows a larger trend towards digitizing banking. To stay competitive, traditional financial institutions are looking into blockchain technology more and more. Ripple's success in these markets shows that digital assets are becoming an important part of modern financial infrastructure. It's also about putting digital currencies at the center of the world economy. It's getting easier to see how Ripple can be widely used as it continues to grow its impact and connect to more major financial systems. The fact that banks in such important areas have started to use Ripple shows that it can connect standard finance with new technology. XRP is likely to get more attention and investment in the digital currency area as a result of the time and money saved.